Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the keyboard language on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to and open General Management. In General Management, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Tap Languages and Types. Select Manage Input Languages. Now switch the toggle on to the right of the language you would like to change to. You can search for languages at the top of the page. You can download a language if your language is not already downloaded, but most common languages are already downloaded. You can select up to 4 languages to switch between on your keyboard. Tap the back arrow to get back to the Languages and Types page. Whichever language is at the top will be your default language. To reorder your languages, tap the 3 dots button in the top right corner, and then tap Reorder. Hold down on the arrows and drag the languages to your desired order. If you want to only have one language or you have selected a language by mistake, then tap Manage Input Languages and then turn the toggle off to the right of the language you wish to remove. When you have multiple keyboard languages, you can switch between them by holding down on the spacebar and swiping to either side. You can also get to the keyboard settings from the keyboard itself by tapping this little settings cog. You can change the switching between languages from the sliding keyboard to a globe button if you prefer, by tapping Languages and Types, then Language Switching Method, and then selecting Language Key. You will then have a globe button on your keyboard to switch languages with. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.